Our entire business is built on a platform of three primary functions and focuses. Number one is pipeline velocity. We want to make sure that project gets built as quickly as we can possibly build it to allow the homeowner to enjoy the savings associated with that system.
One of our focal points is speed to install, making sure that from the time that you sign a contract to the time that the install is scheduled, the customer gets what they requested in a timely fashion.
By having both the sales app and a homeowner app working together, we're able to provide really clear expectations and communications with our homeowners and partners. We want them to know exactly where each job is at, so that we can focus on moving their jobs rather than just giving status updates.
You know, although we talk a lot about speed and pipeline velocity, we never lose track of what matters most, and that what we do is of the highest quality, both from the materials that we use to the workmanship that we apply. We don't compromise.